Heck yeah. This will be fun.
Yeah.
Or it'll be an experience.
Yes.
Oh, total yard sale.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
You guys see that yard sale? Someone lost all their skis. Are those the skis?
Mm.
Up there?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I do see.
Is the guy moving? Oh, they're sitting down there.
He's gotta get that guy to bring the skis down.
Yeah.
He fell. He got pretty far.
Hey,
Oh, there he goes.
Oh, he's standing
Hey.
though. Nothing looks broke.
Yeah, looking good.
Hey. That was good. We'll try to climb up.
Mm. Oh, send
That's
it down. just gotta throw him. Oh, it's sliding. Well, you better catch it. Okay, it's good.
Why is this line here? Actually, kind of confusing.
I have limestone. Just duck it, whatever.
I'm just confused why it's even here, because like you're allowed to cross between the two.
Yeah.
So I don't know exactly what it's for.
Mount Baker has them, but you can duck under them. They just like mark out the extreme danger zones. You just might get cliffed out if you go under, but you're allowed to.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
How is she gonna get her skis back on?
There's strategy. You just like stick it up in the snow.
Oh my god. Forget how stupid this is sometimes.
Yeah. It actually doesn't look too bad from here.
No. Steep, but not as
Yeah.
bad as it looked like.
Kind of looked like there was like a bit of a cornice, but I don't think so.
The balls is that?
The what?
A corner.
Oh, it's like where you get this massive like snowbank that hangs over the slope. So you basically have to, it's like a beyond vertical wall they have to drop down from.
There's always one at Powder Mountain in Colorado.
Yeah.
Because they have a lot of backside bowls, and there's always a huge ass corner.
Sometimes Ski Patrol does some stuff here.
Oh yeah, you can drop right.
Yeah.
Right over. Right,
I-
go do cliff to start.
Yeah, it doesn't actually look too bad.
We're having fun. That's pretty though.
Yeah.
Oh wow, we are up here.
Oh, yes.